Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Hello, world. My name is Adrina Ajamyan. I am from Armenia. I am blessed to have this honorable chance to stand here on this global stage. I am a professional singer and dancer. I am 19 years old and already working in the film industry. This has been my dream since childhood. I want to show other girls like me that dreams come true. My message is that beauty is not only about how you look. Beauty is also about what you do and how you help others in your community. Since the age of 13, I have been actively involved in charitable activities, taking part in events dedicated to helping children with Down syndrome and autism, and kids who are fighting cancer. I want to dedicate my life and heart to this important mission. Helping children in need is what I want to do in my life. I come from Armenia, a country that has suffered a lot. We have gone through many wars, the genocide and survival. Even my generation has seen several wars. I lost friends. I'm sorry. There is nothing worse than a young life lost in unjust war. But children suffer the most from every armed conflict. They shouldn't go through that disaster. They shouldn't lose parents and homes. They shouldn't run from bombs. Now I am here. And I speak for peace. Peace in my country and peace in the whole world. Thank you. Thank you.